Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M7 Plus and let me share with you how to clear cache and speed up your device. So let's begin with removing cache. So we have to open the settings. Here let's scroll down and find the apps. And here we've got the list of all installed apps, and what I highly recommend to do is to go through all of those apps and remove cache. So for example, let me choose the camera. We have to tap on the app and then go to storage. So here we've got this cache section, and cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. So let's simply tap on clear data and tap on clear cache. Confirm it with OK, and your device will immediately remove it. I highly recommend to do that, the same operation with all of those apps. And another thing which you can do in order to speed up your device is to first of all enter the cleaner, which is a pre-installed app, so for sure you've got one. Just find the app with the trash bin icon. And here you can remove the cache files automatically. As you can see, it is only for one app, that's why we needed to do it manually for other apps. Here we've got also residuals, etc. So just tap on cleanup and that will for sure fasten your device. Moreover, you can go to the security. It is also in the pre-installed app, so for sure you've got one. You can tap on optimize here and enter deep clean, where you can remove, for example, unnecessary apps or remove app data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.